Very good morning to my dear students. Welcome to Standard 1 Science class, my dear. This is the third video of this week, and in this video again we will recall the chapter 6, Our Body. Okay, my dear, so kindly open your book page and read with me. This is our chapter 6, unit 4, Our Body. In this chapter we all are going to read about body parts. We all are going to read about our different body parts. Okay, my dear, let's recall the poem of Gira. I have a little body that belongs to me. I have 2 ears to hear with and 2 eyes to see. I have a nose for smelling. I have a mouth to eat. I have a mouth to eat. Next, I have 2 hands to wave at everyone I meet. You can see all the things available in the body. Two ears, 2 eyes, 1 nose, 1 mouth, 2 hands. Yes, all the things which are mentioned in the poem, all the things we have in our body parts. Next, parts of our body. Our body has many parts. Each part of our body has its different name. Our body has many parts. Each part of our body has different name. Let's read the different parts of body name. These are the parts of body's name. Let's read, my dear. We will read it very nicely. Let's read: arm, elbow, wrist, hand, thumb, finger, fingernails, head, lips, ear, teeth, eye, tongue, hair, nose. These are the parts of our body. Our body has different parts, yes, and all parts have their different names. We all have 2 hands. How many hands? 2 hands. We all have 2 hands. With the help of hands, what we can do? With the help of hands, we can write. With the help of hands, we can eat. With the help of hands, we can draw picture. We can color the picture with the help of our hands. Yes. Next, with the help of our hands, we can catch anything. With the help of our hand, we can catch. With the help of our hand, we can hold the thing. With the help of our hand, we can throw the things. Everything we can do with the help of our hands. What we can do? We can catch, we can hold, we can throw the things with the help of our hand. Okay. Next, with the help of our legs. How many legs we have, my dear? We have 2 legs. How many legs? 2 legs. And with the help of our legs, what we can do? With the help of our legs, we can walk, we can jog, we can dance. With the help of our legs, we can walk, we can jog, we can dance with the help of our legs. Next, with the help of our legs, we can hop, we can skip, we can run. With the help of our legs, we can hop, we can run, we can skip. Understood? So, hands and legs helps us in our so many type of work. Like with the help of hand, we can eat, we can write, we can draw pictures and we can color it. With the help of legs, we can run, we can walk, we can stand. So many things we can do with the help of these body parts. Now next, let's read about our sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. How many sense organs? 5 sense organs. What are their names? Ears, eyes, lips, nose and skin. These are the 5 sense organ by which we can feel, we can see, we can hear, we can taste and we can smell also. Now next, you can see these are the 5 sense organ. With the help of eyes we can see. To eye we can say sight also. Okay, with the help of eyes we can see. With the help of ear, with the help of eyes what we do? We can see, we can sight. With the help of ear we can hear. With the help of tongue we can taste. Show me your tongue everyone. I have tongue, you all have. Show me your tongue. Tongue. With the help of tongue we can taste that it is bitter, sweet, sour or salty. Yes. Now with the help of skin we can touch. With the touch we can feel. With the help of skin you can see I am pinching myself and I am feeling that I am pinching. How? Because my skin can feel. I can feel with the help of my skin, with the touch. And when I am patting on my body, I can feel that I am patting. How? With the help of touch, with the help of skin, I can feel. Smell. With the help of nose, I can feel the smell of the delicious food, of the tasty food, of fragrance of flower, a smell of rose, a smell of garbage. When we pass from the road and bad smell comes, what we do? We cover our nose and all. These things we can smell with the help of, we can identify the smell is good or bad with the help of our nose. You can see with the help of our skin we can touch. We use our hands to feel the things. Like the thing is rough, it is very soft. Yes, like rabbit. When we touch rabbit, how we feel? That it is very furry, it is very soft. So, and when we touch a stone, how we feel? That it is very rough. So with the help of our hands we can feel the touch, we can feel the skin, we can feel the things, that it is rough or smooth or hard or soft. Okay. Now at this side we can see taste. Here it is written taste. With the help of tongue we use our mouth to taste the thing. With the help of tongue we can taste the thing. Is it sweet, sour, salty and many more tastes are there. So we can taste with the help of our tongues. Hearing. It is written hearing. We use our ears to hear sounds of drum beat, a song, a scolding, a melodious song sound, anything which we are hearing, whatever getting in our ear, that is a hearing process. With the help of our ears we can hear. Okay. Smell. With the help of our nose we can smell. With the help of our nose we can smell. We use our nose to smell the thing, either it is good or bad. Okay. Next. See my dear, skin helps us to feel, hug and kiss. When we hug someone, how do we feel? Yes, it helps. Skin helps us to feel the thing, it is hot. A hot cup tea, a hot milk cup, whatever we are touching, we are feeling hot. And a milkshake which is very cold, a cold drink bottle, when we touch, how we feel? We feel that it is very cold. We feel the object, that it is soft or not. You can see here, it is very smooth, it is soft, it is hard, it is rough and it is sticky. So with the help of touch we can feel that they are sticky, they are rough, they are smooth, they are hard. Each and everything we can feel with the help of touch. You can see here sight. Here it is written sight, means with eyes what we can do? We can see. Nose, smell, we can smell good or bad smell. We can, with the help of nose we can smell. With the help of ears we can hear. With the help of tongue we can taste. With the help of skin we can touch. The thing is cold, hot, rough, soft and so many other things. Okay, now let's read the definition of organ. Chapter 6, Definition of Organ. A part of the body, here it is written, a part of the body which does a particular function is called organ. For example, legs, stomach, neck, etc. You can see we can move our neck. How? Up, down, left, right. We can move. So it is a part of our body which can do a particular function. Like leg. We can stand, we can walk, we can run, we can jog, we can skip. With the help of hands, we can write, we can we can hold the things, we can catch, we can eat. So these organs are an organ of our body. These are the body parts of these are the organs of our body, and they have their particular function, like stomach, legs, neck, and all. So these are called organ. A part of the body which does a particular function is called organ. Example, legs, stomach, neck, etc. Next, sense organs. What is written? Sense organ. Sense organs help us to sense things around us. Sense organs helps us to sense things around us. For example, eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. You can see with the help of our 5 sense organ, we can see whatever around us, we can feel the things, we can smell the things, we can hear the things, we can taste the thing with the help of our tongue. So they are sense organ definition. Sense organ help us to sense the things, feel the things, smell the things, see the things, taste the things, and hear the sounds. So they are the things which are around us. Understood? Now next. Now my dear, open your book page number 44. Till we have completed in our previous class question number C. Yes, today we are going to solve question number D. Okay, question number D. Give one word or a few words answer. After that, question number E, HOTS question. Okay my dear, now let's solve. This is your question number D. Your first question is, how many legs do we have? We have to write the answer in the book. How many legs do we have? 2 legs. What we will write? 2 legs. L-E-G-S, legs. Full stop. Okay? How many legs do we have? 2 legs. How many legs do we have? 2 legs. We have 2 legs. Just you have to write the answer, 2 legs. Okay? Next question. How many eyes do we have? How many eyes do we have? How many eyes do we have? 2 eyes. We have 2 eyes. Only you have to write in your book 2 eyes. Okay? Now next. How do our legs help us? How do our legs help us? Our legs helps us. Our legs helps us to stand, walk, run, and kick. Our legs helps us to stand, walk, run, and kick. Okay? Next. Write 2 things that we can do using our hands. Write 2 things that we can do using our hands. We can write with the help of our hand, and we can hold the object or thing with the help of our hand. So in answer, just you will write and hold. Okay my dear? Now next. How does our skin help us? How does our skin helps us? Our skin helps us to feel. Our skin helps us to feel that the thing is cold, hot, rough, smooth, hard, soft, etc. Yes, our skin helps us to feel. Okay? Next, the sixth question is, what are sense organs? What are sense organs? How many sense organs do we have? Name them. How many sense organs do we have? Name them. And the answer is sense organs help us to sense the things around us. We have 5 sense organs. How many sense organs? 5 sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. How many sense organs we have? We have 5 sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Understood? Now, next. Now, my dear, in Hart's question number E of page number 44, what we have to do? Name the body parts that help you to know the following things. Okay? Let's read. The first question is, birds are chirping in the garden. Birds are chirping in the garden. What will be the answer of this? How we can know that what will be? The birds are chirping in the garden. With the help of our ears we can hear. With the help of our ear we can hear that the bird is chirping in the garden. Okay? Next. The second question is, tomato soup is red in color. Tomato soup is red in color. How we can recognize, how we can identify the color? With the help of our eyes we can identify the color, that the tomato soup is red in color. Tomato soup is red in. You can see the answer is eyes. With the help of eyes we can recognize, we can identify the color red of tomato soup. Next. Milk is very hot. How we know that milk is very hot? With the help of skin we can touch and feel that milk is very hot. Then the answer will be, third answer is skin. Third answer is skin. With the help of skin we can feel that the milk is hot. Okay? Next. The perfume has a sweet smell. The perfume has a sweet smell. How we can feel? How we know that the perfume has a sweet smell? With the help of our nose we can smell. So the answer will be nose. The answer will be nose. What will be the answer, my dear? Nose. With the help of our nose we can smell the sweet smell of perfume. Okay? Next. The chutney is very spicy. The chutney is very spicy. How we know that the chutney is very spicy? With the help of tongue. We can taste the spiciness of chutney. So then only we can say the chutney is very spicy. So the answer is tongue. With the help of tongue we know that the chutney is very spicy. Understood, my dear? So, my dear, I have explained you very nicely question number D and question number E. You all will solve question number D and E in your book very nicely and very in beautiful handwriting. Okay? Now, next. One more homework is there which you have to do in your copy. What you have to do? You have to paste the pictures of 5 sense organs in copy. What you have to do? You have to paste the pictures of 5 sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs, and you have to paste 5 sense organ pictures in your science copy. Let's see what are the sense organs, and you have to paste the picture of eyes. With the help of eyes we can see. Yes. Nose. With the help of nose, we can smell. Ears. With the help of ears, we can hear. With the help of tongue, we can taste. With the help of skin, we can feel the touch. Okay? Next. My dear, just for examine you, I want a confirmation. I want that, my dear students, you search 2-3 words in this box. I want that tongue. We will search the spelling of tongue. Anyone can see that where is tongue written? Yes, Tongue, tongue. Here we can find the spelling of tongue. With the help of tongue, we can do? We can taste the thing. Very good. Now, skin. We can see here it is written SKIN, skin. With the help of skin, we can feel. Yes? Ear. With the help of ear, we can hear. Now, taste. What is written here? Taste. Where it is written taste? TASTE. Taste. Anywhere you can find where it is written taste. Here it is written taste. 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 Yes. Smell. 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 We are finding the words. Very good, my dear. So, like this, you can solve. Whenever you will get these types of work, you can easily solve this. Okay? Now, my dear. Now, one more worksheet is there for you. Match the following with the help of eyes. What we can do? We can see that it is day or night. Yes, with the help of nose, we can smell the flower. With the help of tongue, we can taste the ice cream. With the help of hand, we can touch the rabbit and we can feel that it is very soft. With the help of ear, we can hear the drum beat. Yes, these types of worksheet I have given to make you recall all the sense organ very nicely. Now, my dear, thank you for watching the video so patiently.